Here is what to do if your WhatsApp messages that are already synced do not show blue ticks. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue if your seen WhatsApp messages do not show any blue ticks. So let's start. First of all, let me open WhatsApp. As I open a specific chat in WhatsApp, you can see that the message has been delivered and the other person has also seen the message, but there is no blue ticks on it. So in order to fix this, what you can do is go back to your main screen. Then after tap on the three dots on the top right side. Now go to settings. In the settings, go to privacy. On the screen you can see read receipts option. Now in order to make the blue ticks appear when the messages are read, simply enable this read receipts option. As I enable the read receipts option and send another message, after the another person sees it, the blue ticks will appear. So the blue ticks will appear if both of you have enabled the read receipts option. If either of you have disabled the option, then the blue ticks won't appear. The only way to get blue ticks on read messages is when both the people have turned on the read receipts option. Otherwise, there is no other method that will make the blue ticks appear on read messages. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.